All right, working on Voyager's point relays this week. That's this bank right here. Now each relay in the bank corresponds to a digit in the score reels. We have the tens position, 100 position, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and finally the millions. Now let's say if there's a target in the game, and this target's worth 100 points. So whenever the ball hits this target, it energizes the 100-point relay. And as you can hear, as I energize it, the 100 position reel advances. So now Voyager is a two-player game. So there's two banks of score reels, one for player 1 and the other for player 2. Our circuit assumes that player 1 is up, so any points earned are sent to player 1's score. But what if it's player 2's turn? How do we redirect those points to player 2's score? If you look closely at a point relay, in this case the 100-point relay, we can see this very first switch here is the one that actually energizes the score reels. It's connected by a brown and orange wire. However, if you look at the score reels, in this case the 100-point score reel, there isn't a brown and orange wire. There's an orange and white for player 1 and a gray and orange for player 2. That's because the brown and orange wire travels down and over to these relays, the player select relays. If you look closely, that brown and orange wire goes to the center position of this three-bladed switch. When the player select relays are in the rest position, that center blade is touching the right blade. When energized, that center blade switches over to the left blade. The right blade goes to that orange and white wire for player 1, and the left blade goes to the gray and orange wire for player 2. So, in the rest position, points are sent to player 1, and when energized, points are sent to player 2. Unenergized, player 1. Energized, player 2.